Hello everyone, good morning and happy Friday. I got 3 new announcements to make with you guys. Well, first of all, actually it's not really a new announcement. First, I want to review the trades that we made today. It was crazy out there, and one of the tickers, one of the nicest tickers, I totally missed, all because of TD Ameritrade's scanner. So I want to give you guys another option that is worthy or worthwhile to use. Second thing is, more NFT merch. This is a beanie I recently got. Now this one's pretty cool. I've been wearing it at the outdoor gym now for about 5 days since I've been back in Berlin. Beautiful. I absolutely love it. The only problem is if you wear earbuds, it gets a little bit tight. So I put it up a little bit, which makes me look goofy, but oh well, usually it's pretty fine. And then the third thing is, what was the third thing now? Oh yeah, I had to pause this video and think about it for a second. Look at this, look at this. Let's go to the trading screen, slide this over. And then actually quite interesting because this is actually not the trading screen, but this is exactly what I wanted to show you guys. So what are the chances? So Steam today, Red Dead Redemption, 50% off. And I was like, duh, I'm going to buy that for sure. And then I go to download it, 113 almost gigabytes. It took me all pre-market to download this game. I'm not sure how much game time I'm actually even going to get in, but you guys know me, I love Age of Empires 2. The problem is I can't play too much of it because it hurts my wrist when I use the mouse. So I have a controller, but I need a controller game, and that's why I got Red Dead Redemption 2. I haven't played it for like 2 years. When I was at my aunt and uncle's, my cousin had it, and I had so much fun playing it. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to be a cowboy for a little bit. That makes a lot of sense. So I took a picture because this is crazy. Now my laptop has 2 gigabytes RAM. 64 gigabytes RAM. It has 2 gigabytes, terabytes of storage. Sorry, I'm all over the place. 2 terabytes of storage. And I thought when I got my laptop, I was like, that's a total overkill. I've never had such a, powerful and also huge storage laptop. Honestly, like I have like few games on my laptop. I got Call of Duty, I got Halo, I don't know, like 2 other ones, and now this. I'm like, these 2 terabytes are going by quick, let's just say. So it's a weird world with these games now because they're just so massive. Honestly, I have one of the best gaming laptops in the world, and like I'm already maxing this thing out, it feels like. Now, I gotta actually change my screen here. It's a bit weird. I don't know why my recorder has been doing this. It's always on the wrong monitor. And here we go. So here you see it. I'm up $606. Not bad. I've been using still smaller position size. I think I'm up over 10% based on my average position size today. I think I was doing like $5,000, sometimes the $6,000 trades, but a lot of trades were like $2,000 to $3,000. So still using smaller size. I did want to size up on a few trades, so that was good. So I think, overall I'm pretty happy with today. This is crazy though, because I did no trading. Well, okay, I did 1 trade after the market, or maybe 2 trades maybe after the market opened, but like barely anything. And one was I held into the market open, which is also something I rarely do. So pre-market, I pretty much made most of my money. I was up like 475 or something, and I was about to walk away, but I was like, hold up. On, what was it, Thursday or Wednesday, I walked away early, like 15 minutes early. I missed one. That was yesterday, actually. I missed one of the best frontside moves of the year. I wrote in the Discord. So I was like, I'm not going to do that same mistake. I'm just going to watch the market. But I had another mistake where it was not on my scanner. This ticker, one of the best tickers of the day, was not on my scanner. Recent IPO, I don't know, sometimes TD Ameritrade messes up with that and doesn't show it on top gainers, which is so frustrating. So let me actually show you guys, before we dive into GFAI, a good little hack you guys can use. Now, what I do on my news section, I have this channel right here, and this channel is actually pretty good with just streaming, and this is a free option for anyone to use. Let me quickly show you guys how it works. Basically, it just streams top gappers, and you can see here MGLD. This is the ticker I was talking about, and it shows the chart too. It always switches, I think, between the top ticker at the moment, and then it has weird noises based on what's going on. Here's like bell every 5 minutes, gong, a stock is added to the Momo Hive Day Scanner, camera click stable, stock is added to the Momo scanner, frog. You kind of get like the tonality. Now sometimes I actually have this up because it's faster than my scanner.
BSFC.
See, it just spoke. I'm not crazy about having too many things going on at once. I feel like I already have enough going on.
MGLD.
And usually my scanner is totally fine. Now, this would have been one of those days it would have worked to see MGLD on the scanner. Let me actually go ahead and close that. and open MGLD and show you guys what this ticker looks like. Now this is a recent IPO, like I said, so I think that's why it was messing up with my TOS scanner. Whoops, MGLD. I think that was the problem, but look at this front side. Let me just highlight this for you guys. Almost pretty much 100% move, depending on like if I clicked a little bit above or below. Recent IPO, what do we got? 37.5 million shares outstanding, 200 million market cap. You know, this is perfect, between $2 and $7, everything I'm usually looking for. Pre-market, it's pretty ugly because it pops up here and then gives it all back. I mean, this is nasty. It's not like my favorite chart pattern, but at the market open, this ticker was on fire, and I was watching it like a hawk in this area. By the time it was called out in the Discord, I think a lot of people missed this one, and at this point, I really wasn't so interested in it anymore. And right now, it is kind of crawling back, so maybe it's worth watching again. But I don't know, a lot of flushes here. I'm not crazy about this ticker, but this front side, look how beautiful this is. Beautiful break here, up 30%. Pull. Actually, at this point, it was up way more than 30% because it closed here yesterday, somewhere in this area. So at this pullback, it's up like 100+%. So this is already really nice. 5-minute breakout, 1-minute pullback. This would have been a perfect trade. This was a 20% move. Another really nice trade here. 5-minute breakout, 1-minute pullback, and then a huge, absolutely crazy run, 34%. I'm not sure how well I would have done buying into the highs here, but I mean, this is like a picture perfect front side move. I missed the whole thing because it wasn't my scanner. So, I mean, there's sometimes days where I'll put the other YouTube channel up. You know, I'll leave a link below this video, or you just kind of Google it based on what I typed in, what you guys saw in this video. But man, like, talk about missing one of the best trading opportunities of the year so far. So that was a little stressful. But now let's talk about GFAI, the ticker I traded today. And we come here, you see I'm up $606 on it. Only ticker I traded today, which is my favorite. I love when it's like that. Overall on the daily, let's start on the daily. Big backside ticker. We traded it many times in the past on these spike days. Today I actually have, smaller amount of volume on it. It's a, let's see, commercial service and supply company, diversified support services, 30 million shares outstanding and a 35 million market cap. Really nice low float there. Company comes out with a catalyst here, agreed to acquire this company for 10 million. I'm not even going to bother trying to pronounce that. So, okay, acquisition, potential news. Doesn't sound bad. Let's go to the 5-minute chart, and you guys can see. Oh man, I was writing this in the Discord. I was like, woohoo, like perfect, gap and go. I mean, this is what we've been waiting for quite some time. We have a nice spike here, about 70%. We consolidate down 17, 20%, and then we have another spike here, another 75%. We have the gap, consolidation, market open, and go. I mean, this was like picture perfect. I was so stoked when I saw this. I actually made most of my money right here, and then a little bit more right here. I should have gotten way more aggressive into that open, but I was a little bit in awe. I kind of didn't believe what I was seeing. I think it's because I've been conditioned for the last year that we're just not getting good moves, especially the last 2.5, maybe 3 months. It's been so bad. So when I see these tickers pop, I almost don't believe it. Also, GFAI popped up on a scanner, and I wasn't so interested in that first because, this was only up like 20%, didn't have a lot of volume. But once it really broke this area, I was like, this ticker is in play. The problem was I actually ended up missing this one. I had a limit order somewhere literally right here, and I missed it. Shoots up 20%, and I'm like, no, that was a perfect move, and I missed it. Luckily, I didn't FOMO or anything. I got, patient. I noticed there was a good pullback opportunity here, took some profits. Second opportunity, started sizing in here, took some profits again. That was really nice. And then I realized it was ranging, and I was like, I don't want to be trading the range. I only want to be trading front side, screw everything else. Eventually, it pops back onto the front side. You can see really nicely on the 5-minute too, where, we break this former top area, and I trade this micro pullback, hoping for I bought here and it sold very quickly, didn't sell my full size. I started scaling in again, sold into this pop, and then I held into the open, a smaller size, $3,000 or $4,000. It popped up, I sold everything, and then it's flushed 8%. And I was like, whoo, that was sketchy. And then I was going to buy more here, but I missed it. Popped up. I buy into this one, it quickly pops up, and I take my small, this was tiny, this is like a $1,800 share size. So this was a really small trade. I should have bought this pullback. I was really intently watching it. I mean, this is on the 5-minute, it was a little extended, so I was a little bit uneasy. Instantly, it actually pops up, holds this area, and gets halted. And on this candle, this is like a 20% move. Gets halted, flushes again, pops up again. At this point, like you guys know, I'm a notoriously bad gap hold trader. I suck at trading holds. So I think that would like kind of push me away from it a little bit. And at this point, this is when I was watching MGLD like a hawk. Unfortunately, it was ranging and it was pretty much over at this point. And I was like, I was so butthurt that I missed MGLD. But it is what it is. You know, you always miss tickers. Like it's pretty much part of the game. It's really just like how much can you get, and then you know how much can you not give back is a little bit of the process. So you know, it's a Friday. I'm up 606. I'm pretty happy with that. I think I'm ending the week here pretty okay on average. Let's see here actually what I'm ending the week on. If we go to my portfolios and then we go to my day trading portfolios, we go to the calendar. Oh, let me move it actually over here. I got too many screens I'm working on. Let's hide that. Let's zoom in here a little bit. So February, March. Yeah, we're going to end the day up 600 today. So, you know, Wednesday I was up 300 and then I gave it all back at the market open. I should have stopped trading earlier. You could see it's been a pretty slow month for me, like 7 trades, 4 trades, 4 trades. That's very slow. Usually, you know, when I'm in my normal atmosphere, the tickers are performing more or less normal. I'm doing like 20, 25, 30 trades a day. So I'm trading way below what I usually do. I'm not getting like huge green days. You know, it's been a while since I had like a 2,000 plus day. So it's been pretty slow for me. But the action we're seeing right now, I mean, I'm literally like 1 or 2 trades away from hitting those levels again. So I'm happy. I feel like things are picking up and that makes me pretty stoked. So yeah, guys, I hope you found value in this video. Again, don't forget to drop a like on the way out. It's the easiest way to support the channel. If you're totally new, we'd love to have you part of the community and also a part of this journey. Our next goal right now is 500,000 in trading profits and then off to 1 million. So let's hope we can reach it. Till then, guys, have a great weekend. I will see you then first thing Monday morning. Like always, stay safe and make some awesome trades. Ciao, ciao.